solve for h. So in this, hopefully you see that there's more than one triangle. There's like three. You have an obtuse, you have a right, and then you have the whole thing together makes a right triangle. In order to solve this out, we need something that links these two triangles together, because the 10 only belongs to this one, and we need to get to the h, which is either part of the entire triangle or this one. So let's just talk about these two triangles, the star and the rectangle that I drew there. So the side that would tie them together would be this. So let's start maybe by finding that, if that's going to help us. No, there's no way to find that. So the only part of this that we can figure out at the moment is angles. We can figure out that this angle right here is 180 minus 49, so 131. And if we wanted to, we could figure out both of these parts separately or together. Doesn't really matter. 25 and 131. Subtract that from 180, we'd get positive 24 if we subtract it the other way. So this angle's 24. So now we can find a side. We can either find this original side that I had marked right here, or we could do the hypotenuse over here. It doesn't matter. Let's do x, the one I marked originally. But you could also find this if you wanted to find y. You could find y first and then solve it out. So I'm going to find x. First thing that we should know from this is the 10 is across from a 24-degree angle, x is across from a 25-degree angle, so x should be a little bit larger. So we're going to set it up. We should get something a little bit larger than 10. We'll set it up x over sine of 25 using the law of sines equals 10 over sine of 24 degrees. Since I just said degrees there, make sure your calculator's in degrees, otherwise you're going to do it all wrong. And cross multiply, solve this out. So x is 10 times sine 25 divided by sine 24. Go ahead and store that as x, so I have it. And like we said, it's a little bit larger than 10, which is what it should be. So now we're going to shift our focus just to this triangle here. It is a right triangle with a 49-degree angle. We're trying to find this side, which is opposite. And x would be the hypotenuse. So sine of 49 degrees equals opposite over hypotenuse. H over this 10.39 that we just found. So solving for h, you would just multiply by the 10.39 times sine 49. So this number we just got times sine 49. 7.842. There's no units anywhere in this problem, so we don't know if it's feet, inches, meters, miles, whatever. That's just what it is, 7.842.